Eric, as they're getting back to their driver stations, let's meet the teams in our first qualification match. On the Red Alliance, we have Team 316.
It's Lunatex, representing Timken, Bristol-Myers Squibb, Salem County Community College, DoD STEM, and Lockheed Martin. From the family and community of Carneys Point, New Jersey, Lunatex.
Joining them in the center square, it's Team 1712.
It's Dogma, representing Comcast, NBC Universal, Gene Haas Foundation, and Intuitive Foundation. From Lower Merion High School out of Ardmore, Pennsylvania, Dogma.
Rounding out the Red Alliance, it's Team 1089.
It's Team Mercury, representing Bristol-Myers Squibb, Trump Photonics, and DoD STEM. From Hightstown High School out of Hightstown, New Jersey, Team Mercury.
Over on the Blue Alliance, one of our Hall of Fame teams here in First Mid-Atlantic, it's Team 365.
It's Miracle Workers, representing DuPont, JP Morgan Chase, ChemHours, and the Boeing Company. It's the Mo Robotics Group out of Wilmington, Delaware, Miracle Workers.
Joining them in the center square, our hosts today, Team 5401.
It's the Fightin' Robotic Owls, brought to you by the Boeing Company, Dow, and the Department of Defense STEM. From Bensalem High School out of Bensalem, Pennsylvania, Fightin' Robotic Owls.
And rounding out the Blue Alliance, it's the Fiendish 6226.
It's Blue Devils, representing Burlington City Board of Ed, Robotics Clubhouse of Delaware, New Jersey, Lockheed Martin, CAC made of Dow, Synesco, and Trinzio. From Burlington City High School out of Burlington, New Jersey, Blue Devils.
Let's get this tournament officially started. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Sun is up, Pennsylvania. We set sail for Bensalem District competition here at First Mid-Atlantic, playing Reefscape presented by Qualcomm. As always, we start our games with a 15-second autonomous period. Drivers step forward. And we go into our tele-operated period. Drivers operate their machines, play in some Reefscape. We've got some teams on the Red Alliance cleaning up the algae from their reef. 316 Lunatex placing some coral onto level 2. Trying to score as much as we can. We come to our 2 minutes. Red Alliance 56 to Blues 31. Checking up on the Blue Alliance 62-26. Cleaning up their reef, attempting to score some points to try and catch up to what the Red Alliance is offering on the table. About midday here in qualification match number 1. Lunatex continuing their offensive capabilities, placing another piece of coral onto level 2. 1089 Team Mercury lifting up their system, placing a coral onto level 3. Blue Alliance 82 to Red Alliance 82 to Blues 70 right now. 5401 Fightin' Robotic Owls positioning themselves accordingly, lifting up some algae, removing it from their reef system, lifting it high in the sky, dropping it into the net, goes a little bit overboard. 1 minute left on the clock. Cooperation met from both alliances. That'll help reduce the amount of scores needed for that cooperation ranking point. 1712 Dogma representing bumpers on the Red Alliance place a piece of algae in their processor. Blue Alliance looking to try and score it into the net, and they do. 30 seconds left on the clock here in qualification match number 1. One of 66 here we're going to be playing this entire weekend. Sonar system means we are in our end game. You can see across the center of the field, 1712 Dogma hanging themselves on a deep cage. 365 Miracle Workers suspending themselves off a deep cage as well. 62-26 trying to suspend off of a shallow cage. That buzzer means that time is in the round. That will conclude qualification match number 1 of 66 here at the Bensalem District Competition. That's going to do it. Stay tuned for your official scores. Scores are in for match number 1. Put it up on the screen. Taking the win for that match is going to be the Red Alliance. 7-point difference here in the first match, 156 to 149. Red Alliance is going to take the win, getting a total of 6 ranking points. Blue Alliance